In this video, we will set up the appearance of our website and fill it with the necessary information. First, log in to the platform's dashboard. Go to Selection, Personal Data, copy your debug link if you haven't yet attached a domain, and open it in another browser window on the right. This way it will be easier to observe changes on the site. We see a completely empty website. In the dashboard, go to Website. Main. Enter the name of our Exchange office. Also add our domain name. Now let's add our logo. Go back to the site window and refresh the page. We see that the name and logo now appear in the header and footer of the site. Next, let's enter our domain name in the browser's address bar and open the site on our own domain. The site is available in 2 languages. Let's create a form for the main window. Go to Forms and select Add Form for Website. Choose the language. Fill in the form name. This name is used only for searching later and is not displayed on the site. Next, fill in the form title. This will appear on the site as a heading. Then, fill in the content. It is easier if you prepare the texts in advance and then just paste them into the forms. Click Add Language. A new empty form appears below. Choose another language for the new form and fill it in the same way. You can add up to 10 different languages. Save the form. Now let's insert our form into the site. Go to Website, Main. In the main window block, in the title field, enter the name of the window. This title is only shown if no form is attached, deleted, or unavailable. Therefore, if you insert a form, you can enter any placeholder title. Click Add, select our form from the list, and save the changes. Refresh the page, and we see the changes. Let's switch to another language. The form text is also displayed in that language. Now let's fill the block. Footer/column 1. This column is designed for publishing information such as addresses, phone numbers, or social media accounts. You can add as many lines as necessary. Save and check the site. Our contacts are added. If you want to create spacing from the logo, simply insert spaces in the first line. Next, let's create forms for the second and third footer columns. Go to Forms. Add Form for Website. Enter a name for searching. Enter a title. Then add another language and fill it in. Notice that I left the description empty here because I am creating a form for a column heading. Column headings are not clickable, so no description is needed. Now go back to Website, Main, fill in the column name, and attach our form. Refresh the page. We see the heading of the second column appear on the site. Now let's add content to the second column. Go back to Forms and create forms for the second column. We added 3 forms for this column. Let's attach them. Currently, there's only one line. Let's add lines and place our forms. Save the changes and refresh the site. Now our second column is filled. All the links are clickable and open. When switching to another language, the links also appear in that language. Let's also create a heading for the third column and fill it with forms. Add them and refresh the page. We see the third column added and filled with information as well. Now let's add mandatory conditions. Enable the option required for confirmation and fill in the fields. Save the changes and refresh the page. Let's try to select an exchange pair. Now, until we check the box I accept, the exchange button is not active. Once we accept the conditions, the exchange button becomes active. The rules next to the button are clickable. Clients can open them and read the terms you've placed here. Customize your website as you like.